Hello, this is Anjani. Welcome you all to the Indian mathematics classes. I'm going to solve the exercise 1.1 NCERT books class 8th. Question number 2. The question is write the additive inverse of the each of the following. First, we will see what is additive inverse. In additive inverse, or it is also called the negative of a number. Suppose we have a number 7 and we have to find the additive inverse of 7. So anyhow we have to take another side 0. So what will you do? For we have a 7 and if I add minus 7 in this 7, I get the 0. So minus 7 is our additive inverse. In the similarly way, in the general form, if we have a number and it's we have to find the inverse of additive inverse of this number, then minus a will be the additive inverse of what? A. Okay, means if we have a minus a number, then what number you will take here to get 0? I will simply take a to get 0. If we have a negative number, we will take positive number to get additive inverse. If we have a positive number, we will take negative number to get additive inverse. Okay, by example I show you. If we have a number 7, then its negative inverse will be additive inverse will be, or negative number will be minus 7. This is our additive inverse. If we have negative number, suppose minus 7 we have, then additive inverse of minus 7 will be 7. Okay, now come to the question. Now you can easily find if we have a positive number, so additive inverse of 2 by 8 is what? Anyhow we have to take 0 in the another side, so I will take minus 2 by 8, then it will get the 0. So our additive inverse is what? Minus 2 by 8. Additive inverse is minus 2 by 8. Here you can see that the minus is given in this question, so our additive inverse will be the positive number, means positive of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Here you can see that the minus and minus will be cancelled, so this number become a positive number. So additive inverse of this number will be what? Minus 6 by 5. Here you can see that there is a negative mention, so additive inverse of minus will be positive number, so plus 2 by 9. If we will not mention plus, then it is okay. So next question is, you can find the additive inverse of 19 minus 6. So there is a minus sign, means minus 19 by 6. So additive inverse of this number will be what? Positive, means 19 by 6 is additive inverse of minus 19 by 6. Okay, come to the next question. What is the question? Verify that minus whole bracket minus x is equal to x. Now first one is we have x is equal to this. First we will check for minus x. If I put left side minus x, then we have to also put the right side of minus x, then what it number becomes? Minus 11 by 5. Next we have to multiply with minus in a left side, so I'm going to multiply with a minus in a right side also. So what I have minus and minus, what? It become plus 11 by 5. So you can see that 11 by 5 is what? X. So therefore minus whole bracket minus x is equal to x. So here I verified minus whole bracket minus x is equal to x. In a second question we have x is equal to minus 13 by x, so I write down here minus 13 by x, and we have to verify minus x whole bracket minus is equal to x. So I multiplied in a left hand side. This is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So I will going to multiply with a minus in the left hand side, so I get minus x is equal to in a right hand side we have to also multiply with the minus, so I multiply with the minus and write in a whole bracket minus 13 by 17. So minus minus become plus and 13 by 17 as it is. Now again I am going to multiply with what? Minus. So in a left hand side I have minus whole bracket minus x is equal to, here we have a plus sign, and when we multiply with the minus it will become what? Minus sign. So I have minus 13 by 17. So this is the value of what? X. We have a given x is equal to minus 13 by 17. So I write here x minus whole bracket minus x is equal to x. This verify our questions. Okay.